Hello everyone, I'm Kate Valdez.
Hi, I'm FUMIYA.
And we're here at Shinagawa Diagnostic. Oh, well, first of all, I'm glad na dito ko ginawa yung general checkup ko. I feel so relaxed. The ambience is, at first, it's very clean. It's very relaxing. And the staffs are really hands-on. They make sure that we're comfortable. And I'm just glad na FUMIYA-KUN introduced this clinic to me. Thank you, Shinagawa.
I'm so happy kasi this is my first time check-up here in the Philippines. Kasi at first medyo worried. Pero here in Shinagawa, like a Japanese quality check-up. So I'm so happy to get check-up here in Shinagawa.
Well, it's really important nowadays kasi marami ng mas younger people yung nagkakasakit and late na nila na realize. So it's really important na at early age talaga na check nyo na para healthy din pag when you get older, di ba?
Yes, kasi very important if you don't know and or like the find very late, it's gonna be very big problem, di ba? If you found out early, you can take medicine or like you can
Prevent.
Yeah, prevent.
Oh yes, of course. I would recommend it to everyone kasi the equipment, the doctors are really great. And happy ako kasi alam kong it's the people here are very trusted and they're professional, they know what they're doing, and the place is really good. And the quality also, you can tell naman.
Yes, I want to recommend talaga. Syempre it's for Filipinos, pero like I want to recommend to Japanese people here in the Philippines. Kasi yeah, I think the same feelings like me, medyo worried because of hospital, ibang bansa. Pero here, it's very Japanese quality and parang Japanese style. So like I'm very relieved talaga. Actually, I feel everything every Japan kasi it's so very organized, clean, no waiting time, and yeah, it's very quick. Yeah, the food is Japanese food. Yeah, it's everything Japan. I'm so happy. Parang yeah, I'm back here in Japan like that.
Arigatou gozaimasu, Shinagawa.